You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, electronic stability control, power windows, compass, rear window defroster, fog lights. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.